Vasni from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video, our second CSCC students are going to discuss about the CISC and RISC architecture in computer organization and architecture. So how it is processed, how it is categorized in a feature wise. So let's discuss about this.
I am going to give introduction about CISC. The full form of CISC is complex instruction set computer. It has many instructions and each instruction performs many multiple low-level tasks. Its goal is to reduce the number of tasks even if the cycle and the task are higher. The example are VAX Motorola 68000.
Let us discuss about features and working. Large instruction set. There are more than hundreds of instructions are here. Instruction can access memory directly. Microcode is used to translate instruction to hardware. Mainly focus hardware to simplify programming.
Now let us discuss about some advantages and disadvantages of this. Some of the advantages are it is code efficient and memory efficient, and it is easier for the assembly programmers. And some of the disadvantages are it is complex hardware and it is difficult to assembly and optimize.
Let me talk about the RISC concept. RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer. It is a computer architecture concept. It focuses on small set of instructions and the efficient instruction. Each instruction is designed to execute in one clock cycle. Then the main focuses is simplify the hardware. The main focus is simplify the hardware and allow the compiler to optimize the code effectively. There are many examples for RISC-based processor. Mainly MICT and then RISC-V. The RISC-V is widely used in modern mobile phones and embedded system for low power consumption.
Let me talk about the working of RISC. Each instruction takes one clock cycle where the instructions are used to make code faster and more efficient. And then the RISC are taking the faster instruction length, which makes the code easier and long performance. And then each instruction are used to make more efficient and then to get better code and ability. And decoding and execution of the code is more reliable to each other.
Let's see about the RISC real-world applications and their comparison. RISC real-world applications it majorly dominates on modern devices like smartphone, embedded systems, and ARM-based chips. And then when we compare RISC and CISC, CISC majorly focuses on hardware and simply on software, whereas RISC majorly looks on simple hardware and complex software.
So can anyone explain about how the buses are connected with each and every devices in computer system?
Buses are two types, single bus and multi buses. Single bus is connected with only one capable wire, and multi bus is connected with each of the wire.
And it is easy to fetch memory without data trafficking.
Then can you explain what are the fundamental devices are used in the computer system, like memory and processors? Likewise.
The three types of memory are random access memory and read-only memory and cache memory.
Can you explain any types of memories in terms of primary memory and secondary memory? So how we have to fetch the data if I want to store a huge amount of data, so which kind of memory we can access and which kind of devices we can use?
We usually use secondary memory to use large amount of Yeah.
We can use devices like pen drive and CD disk for the extra storage for memory.
So can you anyone explain about the what is the role of CPU?
CPU is the heart of the computer. Then the CPU performs many tasks like storing the data and give the data at a specific time, etc.
So thank you students for discussing about the case study video on CISC and RISC architecture and how the buses will be connected and organized. And thank you.
Thank you.